Hello students, today we are going to read the sixth topic from our EVS textbook. This is page number 24. So the name of the lesson is Safety Rules. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. R-U-L-E-S. Rules. Safety rules. W-E-V-M-U-S-T must, follow, F-O-L-L-O-W follow, safety, S-A-F-E-T-Y safety, rules, R-U-L-E-S rules, all, A-L-L all, the, time, T-I-M-E time. We must follow safety rules all the time. T-H-E-Y they, help, H-E-L-P help, T-O-2 K-E-E-P keep, U-S us, S-A-F-E safe. They help to keep us safe. Now let us read some safety rules. First, have a look at this picture. Safety, S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety on the road, R-O-A-D, road. Have a look at this picture. The two children, that is a boy and a girl, they are walking. And where are they walking? They are walking on a footpath. The small path besides the main road, which is made for the people to walk. We, M-U-S-T, must, always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, walk, W-A-L-K, walk, O-N, on, the, footpath, F-O-O-T, foot, P-A-T-H, path. So this is a correct thing. You should always walk on the footpath. Now look at this picture. The boy is walking on a zebra crossing. What is a zebra crossing? The black and white strips that are made on the road, they are called as zebra crossing. We must, M-U-S-T, must, cross, C-R-O-S-S, cross the road, R-O-A-D, road, at the zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, crossing, C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, crossing. So this is also a correct thing. Walking on the zebra crossing is a correct thing. Now let us read some other safety rules which we need to follow when we are walking on the road. W-H-I-L-E, while crossing, C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, crossing the road, R-O-A-D, road. We must, W-E-V-M-U-S-T, must, watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch, T-H-E, the, traffic, T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic, lights, L-I-G-H-T-S, lights, carefully, C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, carefully. While crossing the road, we must watch the traffic lights carefully. The red, R-E-D, red, L-I-G-H-T, light, says, S-A-Y-S, says, stop, S-T-O-P, stop. The yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, light, L-I-G-H-T, light, S-A-Y-S, says, wait, W-A-I-T, wait. The green, G-R-E-E-N, green, light, S-A-Y-S, says, go. So can you see this picture? this traffic light is having three colors: red, green and yellow. The red light says stop. The yellow light says wait. And the green light says go. So this is the traffic light. And here you have the pedestrian light. Pedestrian, pedestrian lights. Now what is this pedestrian lights? Let us read. The pedestrian, pedestrian, pedestrian green light, TELLS tells YOUU to cross, CROSS cross the road, ROAD road at the zebra, ZEBRA zebra crossing, CROSSING crossing. So when the pedestrian light shows green light, it tells you to cross the road at the zebra crossing. And if the pedestrian light is red, you should not cross the road. We must wait for the traffic, TRAFFIC traffic to stop, STOP stop. First, FIRST first, LOOK look to right, RIGHT right, then 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 to left, LEFT left, THEN then again, AGAIN again to right, RIGHT right, and cross, CROSS cross the ROAD road when, WHEN when ROAD road is CLEAR clear. We must wait for the traffic to stop. First look to right, then to left, then again to right and cross the road when road is clear. Page number 25. Safety while traveling. SAFETY safety, WHILE while, TRAVELLING traveling. So what are the rules we need to follow when we are traveling? We must stand in a queue, queue means a line, at the bus, stop, while, boarding, boarding the bus. So can you see these children? These children, they are standing in a queue, they are standing in a line when they are getting into the bus, when they are boarding the bus. WEV must, MUST must, NOT not, GET get, in or OUT out, of a moving, MOVING moving, BUS bus. WAIT wait for the BUS bus to stop, STOP stop, THEN then, GET get, DOWN down. We must not get in or out of a moving bus. Wait for the bus to stop, then get down. So what is this boy doing? He is running with the moving bus, which is not correct. It is a wrong thing. You can meet with an accident. So you have to get into the bus or get out of the bus only when the bus has stopped. Now see the next picture. So what is this boy doing? He is taking out his hand and head from the bus window. This is a wrong thing. You can get hurt because of other vehicles. So this is a wrong thing. We must, N-O-T, not lean, L-E-A-N, lean, O-U-T, out, or put, P-U-T, put, our hand, H-A-N-D, hand, O-U-T, out, of a moving, M-O-V-I-N-G, moving, B-U-S, bus. So we should never take out our hand or our head out of the moving bus. So also we must, N-O-T, not disturb, D-I-S-T-U-R-B, disturb the B-U-S, bus, D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. We must keep, K-E-E-P, keep, quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, quiet, in the B-U-S, bus. We must not disturb the bus driver. We must keep quiet in the bus.